Good evening, all. Alright, lawn needs the water. Woohoo! Woohoo! Oh. I've been waiting for this. Hello, everyone. Oh, here's the thunder. And my Australian plays a Squally. Beep! Got my Houston, oh. Woohoo! Look how dry the lawn is. Look how dry that lawn is. Whoa! Houston, oh. Oh, look, rain. What's that, mama? Whoa, it's getting harder. Oh, hey! Nah. Whoa! Oh, it's pissing down. Yep, it's here. Houston, oh. Oh, lightning. Look at this. It's a monsoon. The cold out. Hey, hey, girls. Got a little solar beeping on. Geez, that lawn's gonna go fucking green. Hey, everyone out of the 5AA listeners forum. David, Bruce, Dave, Howard, how you going? Everyone, all the names. And, oh, it's pulling up over there. Crikey. Crikey. Look at that, eh? My hara. My tree's gonna soak in hara. I'm gonna watch Home and Away's on.